Imagine a world where everything you know, everything you see, and everything you touch is just an illusion, a digital construct. Welcome to the world of The Matrix. This isn't just a clever sci-fi premise, but a concept that has been turning heads and raising eyebrows in the realms of science and philosophy. The Matrix, a movie that first hit our screens in the late 20th century, introduced us to a reality that was far from real. A simulated world created by machines. This idea, as radical as it was, has since sparked a widespread debate, pulling in thinkers, dreamers, and even skeptics from all corners of the globe. Fast forward to the 21st century, and the concept of a simulated reality isn't just confined to the silver screen. Some scientists and philosophers, inspired by the movie's revolutionary idea, have taken it upon themselves to explore the likelihood of our own world being a giant simulation. And no, they aren't just spinning tales for the sake of it, they're asking genuine, hard-hitting questions, challenging our perceptions and understanding of the universe we inhabit. But why would anyone entertain such a wild idea? Well, it's not just about the thrill of venturing into the unknown, it's a question that pushes the boundaries of our understanding, that makes us question the very fabric of our existence. It's about exploring possibilities, about daring to think outside the box, and about seeking answers to questions that most would deem unthinkable. The Matrix presents a compelling case for questioning the authenticity of our reality. It paints a world where reality is a digital construct, a world where free will is an illusion, and existence is nothing more than lines of code in a sophisticated program. It's a concept that's as fascinating as it is unsettling. But how much truth does it hold? Could we really be living in a simulation, oblivious to the strings being pulled behind the scenes? Or is this just another science fiction fantasy? A thrilling idea meant to entertain and captivate, but far removed from reality. Well, fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the intriguing world of simulated reality. In the movie, Neo, our protagonist, is offered a choice: the blue pill or the red pill. Today we are choosing the red pill, diving deeper into this captivating idea. The red pill, an emblem of our readiness to question what we perceive as reality, beckons us into a world of possibilities. It's a metaphorical leap of faith, an invitation to challenge the constructs we've always accepted without doubt. As we choose the red pill, we arm ourselves with curiosity, skepticism, and an unquenchable thirst for truth. This choice is not for the faint of heart. It's for the daring, the inquisitive, those who dare to question the fabric of our existence. It's about peeling back the layers of our perceived reality, and delving into the possibility of a world beyond our senses. Just like Neo, we're on the brink of an extraordinary journey. A journey where we might discover that the world as we know it might just be an illusion. Are you ready to go down the rabbit hole? Rizwan Virk, an MIT computer scientist, argues that it's more likely we exist in a simulated world than a base reality. Now let that sink in for a moment. We're delving into a fascinating perspective here, one that dares to challenge our well-accepted notions of reality. Virk proposes a tantalizing hypothesis. He believes in the existence of not just one, but multiple simulated realities. He likens it to a cosmic Russian doll, where each doll, or in this case, each reality, is nestled within another. Each reality is a simulation within a larger simulation, and this nesting could go on endlessly. According to Virk, the likelihood of us living in a base reality, the outermost doll, so to speak, is exceedingly slim. This radical notion prompts us to reconsider our understanding of the universe and our place within it. If Virk is correct, then what is our universe built on? Virk posits an it-from-bit theory, suggesting our universe might be built on information rather than traditional matter or energy. This is a radical notion that flips our understanding of the cosmos on its head. Instead of the universe being composed of atoms and molecules, it's made up of bits of information. Virk draws parallels between this concept and the principles of quantum physics, where particles can simultaneously exist in multiple states until observed. It's much like a video game rendering only what's necessary for the player's viewpoint. This observer effect suggests our reality might be a form of computational rendering, where things only exist when they need to be observed. This concept is not just philosophical musing but also finds echoes in quantum mechanics, where the act of measurement fundamentally changes the system being observed. But if this is true, who or what might be responsible for orchestrating our reality? Theories abound about who or what might be behind a simulated reality. Aliens? Future versions of humans? God? There's no shortage of speculation. Some suggest advanced extraterrestrial civilizations might have the technological capabilities to simulate entire universes. Others propose that our far future descendants might create simulations of their ancestors, that's us. Then there's the philosophical angle. Could an omnipotent deity be the grand architect of this alleged simulation? The idea harks back to age-old theological debates about divine creation and omnipotence. And let's not forget artificial intelligence. As our technology advances, could we one day create AI so sophisticated it simulates entire realities? Even quantum physics gets a look in. Some physicists suggest that our reality could be a quantum computer simulation, with quantum bits forming the building blocks of our existence. Who's to say? The fact is, we don't know, and that's what makes this so fascinating. The possibilities are as limitless as they are mind-bending. So, where does all this leave us? Are we living in a Matrix-like simulation? We've taken a deep dive into the concept of a simulated reality, from Verk's intriguing hypothesis to the scientific underpinnings that push the boundaries of what we consider our reality. We've explored the it-from-bit theory, which suggests our universe might be built on information rather than traditional matter or energy. We've pondered the observer effect and how it eerily mirrors video game rendering. And let's not forget the speculation around who or what might be responsible for orchestrating a simulated reality. Aliens, future versions of ourselves, or perhaps something entirely unfathomable to our present understanding. Weighing the evidence, it's clear that while we may not have definitive proof, the concept of a simulated reality is far from dismissible. It's a tantalizing theory that warrants further exploration. While the jury is still out, one thing is certain: exploring the idea of a simulated reality is undeniably captivating.